Hello, and welcome to a video on enhancing security incident management with threat analytics for FortiADC and FortiAPTCHA. Threat Analytics automatically analyzes attack events and groups them into incidents based on common characteristics like attack type, source IP, and targeted applications. For example, multiple SQL injection attempts targeting the same application are grouped into a single incident. Each incident is assigned a severity score based on the nature of the attack, helping the security team to focus on critical threats first. The aggregated incident view helps you identify trends and patterns, such as frequently targeted endpoints like login APIs and payment gateways, the most malicious IPs behind repeated attacks, and shifts in attack activity over time, like a spike in credential stuffing during holiday sales. Clicking on an incident reveals deeper insights, including the attack type, targeted application endpoint, source IP addresses and geolocation, event timestamps, and payload details. These insights help you take targeted action, such as applying virtual patches, blocking malicious IPs, or adding CAPTCHA verification for login forms. You can organize incidents by applying predefined or custom tags like critical, under investigation, or false positive to keep workflows consistent and improve tracking. For example, if a known malicious IP is launching an active SQL injection attack, you can tag the incident as critical to prioritize response. If an incident turns out to be caused by legitimate traffic anomalies, tagging it as false positive helps prevent similar unnecessary alerts in the future. Use the Insights page to fine-tune your security settings, such as strengthening rules for frequently targeted endpoints and updating block lists with repeat offender IPs. Threat Analytics transforms incident handling by helping you focus on real threats, respond quickly, and adapt to evolving attack patterns. This ensures strong protection for sensitive financial applications and customer data.